Your new Hisense 4-door refrigerator has a separate compartment in between the fridge and the freezer, known as the VersaTemp Zone. Most traditional refrigerators have two different compartments, which are fridge and freezer. The VersaTemp Zone has its own temperature control environment. The control panel on top of the ice and water dispenser can be used to adjust the settings on the fridge door. To adjust the VersaTemp Zone's temperature, repeatedly press the VersaTemp button on the control panel until the desired temperature is reached. You can also do this using the ConnectLife app on your smartphone. You can set the VersaTemp Zone to any temperature between 27 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Hisense recommends setting the temperature between 27 and 31 degrees Fahrenheit for soft freeze, 31 and 37 degrees Fahrenheit for deli items or snacks, and 37 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit for beverages such as wine or soft drinks. The VersaTemp Zone has a removable Caddy Box to help you better organize your food. Insert the removable Caddy Box wherever you like. Note: your VersaTemp Zone will beep if the drawer is left open for more than 2 minutes. If your refrigerator is connected to the ConnectLife app, you will also receive a notification on your smartphone. Sold exclusively at Lowe's with a 2-year warranty, twice as long as others. If you would like to learn more about connecting with the ConnectLife app, please click the link in the description below.